everybody, welcome to another edition of by gosh quilting. I'm Jamie and I'm just gonna show you my some of my whips and work in progress, right? And then the sampler box just came today, so I thought since I wanted to update you on what I was making, I'd go over this as well. And I wanted to show you something else too. So one of the things I'm been in the middle of right now is just cutting up a shirt. I love this shirt. I'm in the midst right now of just where is it here, unpicking the pocket. So I'm unpicking that. Then when you iron over that again, you end up with a really nice piece of fabric. I had been cutting these into 5-inch pieces to make like charm packs, but then I realized that sometimes I'd like to use it for other projects, and so now I've just been trimming them down and like taking off the edges like here, and then I'll use it for whatever I want to use it for. And what I'm using one for right now, just to show you, is I am in the middle of a 3-yard quilt right now, and this is it. I showed you on one of my last videos. So this is actually from a shirt that I cut down. These pieces are from the shirt. This is just some words are hard, flannel, and then this is some yardage I had quite a bit of, and it's just going to be a baby quilt for a little girl. This is coming up a little bit grayer on camera. It is a little bit brighter pink than it's actually showing. So this is a 3-yard quilt I'm working on. I believe I showed it in the last video that I did, and so I'm just getting to I put on let's see here, I've got 2 borders. Trying to kind of show you this here. 2 borders put on so far. What is that? Okay, there we go. And I still have to put another border like this on there, and then the backing will be in this pink, and I'm going to bind it using the back fabric. So yeah, bind with the backing. So that's what I'm going to do on that. So I'm just about done with this one, and then I'll just have to quilt it. Here's my last strip of binding that, well, not border that's still going to go around. And then one of the things I wanted to show you was these. I wonder if anybody else has ever done these. This is a pop sewing kit, and you actually can make a wallet out of this. You get, I showed here, in here, you get all the pieces that you need to put a wallet together, and then you do the hand stitching on it. I got one of this like fuchsia or purple color, and then I've gotten one in this dark green to do. And I haven't tried them before. I might do a video on it when I do it. This is like the brand, the Pop Sewing, and I did do a wallet, and I liked how that came out, so I was going to try to do that. I wondered if other people had ever tried doing those before. So the pieces come pre-cut. So I figured if they work good, I'll just use the pieces as patterns and maybe try to make some of my own. So here we go. On this, I have not opened this yet. I have only opened, I've untaped it or undid the tape, but I haven't opened it yet. So we're seeing this together. So here we go. It's Grow Kindness. And I don't know if you get these. I love these. You get, each one comes with this card, and it'll have promo codes on it that you can use for different places through the Fat Quarter website. All right, so let's see what we have in here. Here's our first item. Let's see what this is. I never look at the little card they get that tells you everything that's in it. So, let's see. Stitchy readers. So are these glasses? Feels like this is a glass case and glasses. Let's take a look. All right, here we go. There's the case. There's definitely something in here. Opens up. Yes. Oh, is that ever cute? So a pair of readers and a little adorable glass case here. So that's the first thing that I got. Now here's the little book that just tells you everything that's in it and explains what it is, what they all can be used for. And I think, yeah, the don't know if the prices are on here. Yeah, the values are always put too. So these glasses were valued at $9.74. Okay, looks like this out here. We also got a wrist pin cushion. I do not have one of these. So that is awesome. It's adorable. It's got the elastic on it, so you put on your wrist, and just a cute little pin cushion. Then we got 2 packs of this calico fabric right here. And these are used to make the quilt pattern that comes, because you get a quilt pattern with every quilt. So this month's quilt pattern is this wheelbarrow. Oh, that's cute. So you get instructions on how to put that together. It looks like actually a table runner. So that, I really like that. And then you always get 1 quilt square to make. And at the end of 12 months, you put all the quilt squares together and you have a quilt. So you get that. And then this also came with some vintage block, let's see, quilt block foundation paper. Oh, that's interesting. So to give that a try. So that's what was in this month's box. So yeah, I really appreciate you watching. I know this was just a short one, but thought it might be fun, and want to thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and thank you to all my current subscribers. I really appreciate it. And until next time, please take care and happy sewing.